Hey, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the video. My name is Ethan Esquivel. Let's get into the video. How to rap like a god. Okay, now I got the mic set up in the backyard. Let me go over my rhymes that I wrote about an hour or two ago. She told me one time she had a crush on me. Damn, that breaks my heart. Another girl falling for me. I'm the king. She wanna be my queen. Take over the world. Take over the lands, built my whole world with my own bare hands. If you ain't a fan of yourself, something's wrong. Your heart ain't where it belongs. Enforcing too many rules on me, Kim Jong-un. We look good out in public. People insist we get a room. You was always cute, looking at you through Zoom class. Girl, you look good, no you ain't a pass. You ain't all ass, got a little sass when you in a grumpy mood. I don't mean to be rude, but I love it when your hair's tied up. Remind me of who you are every time you kiss me. Cherish every moment before you start to miss me. Insisting me to go get a haircut so I look fresh in our next sesh. You love me so hard, makes me wanna pull out a ring. It's so shiny, even makes the sound of a ding. Cherishing my time on earth. Other planets are out there for sure, who knows? All I know that this world is cold. That's why I'm so bold. I don't like being told no when there is so much to take. Going fast, not worried about the brakes. Living my life with a dream inside my mind. Flying high, our brother cities with the most opportunities. Only come once, take it, grab it, let them have it. Grab life by the horns, show it who's boss. God's got a plan for you, follow through. I know you get sad sometimes, life gets tough. But you are meant for this. God's trying to teach you something. You're a human being, the best type of life on this world. You're a different type of beauty. You could be my girl, but I gotta go win my championship. You miss me when I go, getting all snappy and shit. Wish I was sorry, but I got to go win it. Whatever room my foot sets, I'm gonna kill it. Love that you support me from the sidelines. The world doesn't know that you are mine. It's Ethan on the mic, and I'm fine.